Hi, my name is Hannah, and today I will be taking the magic number test and will talk a bit about concepts. First, what is the magic number test? The magic number test is an exercise that allows you to determine your crow. But what is your crow? Your crow is the amount of things you can hold in your mind or focus on at one time. It can also be referred to as your short term memory span or magic number. Before I take the test with my mom, I will first explain how the test works. First, both partners need to create lists of 12 numbers. The first number will only have one digit, then the following numbers will increment by one, so the last number on the list should have 12 digits. After creating the lists, one partner will test how well the other is able to recall the numbers digit by digit. The one partner will read out each number, while the one being tested must recite the digits by memory. This will continue until the one being tested can no longer recall the digits correctly. Then both partners will switch roles and repeat the process. Now we will begin the test. I'll test you first. 0,
0,
3, 9,
3, 9,
4, 5, 2,
4, 5, 2,
1, 8, 7, 9,
1, 8, 7, 9,
6, 2, 4, 8, 7,
6, 2, 4, 8, 7,
2, 7, 9, 1, 5, 2.
2, 7, 9, 1, 8, 2.
No. Okay, so now you will test me.
1,
1,
3, 8,
3, 8,
4, 2, 1,
4, 2, 1,
9, 8, 1, 2,
9, 8, 1, 2,
5, 7, 4, 3, 2,
5, 7, 4, 3, 2,
1, 1, 0, 8, 7, 6.
1, 1, 8, 0, 5, 7, 6.
No.
Okay, so your crow number is 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. What did you say?
Now that we've determined that both my mom and I have a crow of 5, here's some of the history behind the test. George Miller, a cognitive psychologist at Harvard, came up with the magic number 7, also known as Miller's Law. Miller carried out research testing the limits and coincidence between one-dimensional absolute judgment and short-term memory. The result of this was the idea that everyone has a cognitive limit in how many things they can focus on at any given time. So once the number of things surpasses a certain threshold, usually 7 plus or minus 2, or the range of 5 to 9, it gets harder for people to recall. But since we all have a cognitive limit for how much we can hold in our mind, how can we go beyond our crow? The key is concepts. Concepts are terms or mental entities that represent many similar objects that share the same defining characteristics. They allow us to reduce many objects into one. This, in effect, allows us to fit more in our crow. One term is easier to fit in our short-term memory than many individual things. For example, it's easier to recall flower than trying to remember all the different species of flowers. But how do we create concepts? We do so by looking at many similar objects. Then we determine what their defining characteristics are. Finally, we assign a term to represent all of these objects. Thanks for watching.